It's very simple, easy, don't worry. Let's start to cook. Hi, this is Korean꾸야. Welcome to my simple Korean food cooking channel. Today, I'm gonna cook. How can I say? Today, I'm gonna cook corn chips with this canned corn. Whole corn. First, you need a canned corn. Sweet corn or something, whatever. Yeah. And drain the water. And you need a aluminium dish. Is this dish? And 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It looks good. You can cook until then. Mozzarella cheese melt enough, yeah, and turn into brown. This is so good, especially in Korea. It's a very good with drinking, like a beer. Fantastico! Yeah. Enjoy your corn cheese. It was Korean꾸야. Bye bye.